Welcome to another data recovery video. This time I'm working on a hard drive that's been mailed in. Welcome to the channel. I'm a professional data recovery engineer with over 20 years experience, and customers drop off or mail in hard drives that stop working, and it's my job to get the data back. The customer says it's not detecting, and it looks like it's been removed possibly from a desktop computer. You can see that it's quite dusty. And it's a Seagate Barracuda 1000 gigabyte hard drive. We can see that the full model number is ST1000DM003. It was manufactured in 2013, so it's lasted about 13 years. There's a few different common problems I see with this style of hard drive, and that is if they're not detecting, they're either bricked with firmware from some kind of hardware issue, or they're physically damaged and they start making a clicking sound when you turn them on. Let's plug this one in and see what's wrong. The firmware is bricked on this drive. There's no data access. It's locked in a busy state that's unresponsive. To fix this firmware bug, I'm going to turn off a lot of background activity, such as media cache processing, defect handling, caching behavior, and any error handling. I'm backing up the firmware here just in case something goes wrong. I can also spot any issues in the firmware, but if something does go wrong, I have a safekeeping so I can make any repairs or adjustments. I'm now getting some Seagate console diagnostic printout, and here we've got a MCMT reconstruction start. MCMT is the media cache management table. The media cache is a reserve section on the hard drive platters that the firmware can use for performance and housekeeping. Now that I've fixed this Seagate's bricked firmware, it's time to see if I can recover all the customer's data. And straight away we've got quite a large partition table, typical for retail brands that have all this reserve space and all this bloatware. So we've got the Windows NTFS file system, and we've successfully found all the folders. So the customer wants something specific. I'm going to locate that for them, and hopefully I can recover it. Now that I've located the specific files and folders that this customer wants back, I'm able to successfully image and recover the data. If you need data recovery from a Seagate hard drive that's not working, visit us at zeroalpha.com.au and we will get your data back at the lowest price. You can drop off or mail in from any location, including worldwide. I'll see you guys in the next video.